Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have my MacBook and it gets really hot, especially since I have an external drive always attached to it. So I've got this here semiconductor laptop cooling stand. So we're going to give this thing a little try and try to connect it up to my uh, laptop because I don't use it on my lap. I use it at the desk over there. So we are going to give this thing a go. Take off all the plastic here. And you guys can't see what I'm doing. But there we go. So let's open this up. And this is the fan part of it here. And it's got high humidity in the air. Idling may make mist. Okay. And then we have the charging cable or the power cable. It looks like it's USB to USB-C. We have the instruction manual. And we have a screw and a piece here, and we have the stand, which is heavy. Hard to do it with my hand. That doesn't work very well. Okay. So let's see. So this will go like that, and then my computer would be in it like this normally, right? So you can just use it as a computer stand and, like that. And then, so that will hold it for sure. And then we have this, which will connect up in here. Let's see, how does this connect? It's got these little screws. So let's see, do they go inside here? Just bounces in there, just sits in there like that, and then that's it. So it'll bounce, and then this is the semiconductor cooler. So this will connect up to your thing. I have a screen protector thingy on here now. So, but that'll still be okay. But let me see here, and this is the power for it. So you push that button, I guess, to turn it on and off. But let's connect it up to power. Let's plug this in here. And I'm just going to connect it up to this external battery pack since currently my Mac only does USB-C. So So there we go. Wow. So we have some lights on it. So you can see it lights up blue. This is a different pushing button. I think this is changing colors and changing the fan, but the fan is on now. So then I will be able to put my computer on there like that. And it's nice. It has these rubber things, so it hits up against these rubber things, and then these are rubber here. So you're totally not getting it in any trouble there. And then, you can see it from the back. And then I would use my laptop like this, and I can type on it. And I can put it down at any angle, and it's really solid. So it'll do that. And I guess you can make it more solid if you need to tighten up these little screws on the bottom here. Oh, you can't see because my laptop's on there. But if it starts to not be as solid as you'd like, you can tighten up these. But it looks like it comes rotating, so you can rotate it. So once it's on here, you can rotate it around if you want a different angle, or if you have it up a bit, and then you have your screen up and you want to show it to somebody else, you can kind of say, hey, look at my screen. How cool is that? It's got a lot of different little features, and it's got the rubber base on the bottom. So I feel the air blowing on me now because the air is blowing on me because the fan is on. It's got a good blow too, but I can't even hear it. I can hear it. I don't know. Here, I'll hold it up to the microphone. If it's touching it, you can probably hear it, but otherwise you can't even hear it. And it looks like you hold it down to turn it off. That's really cool. That's super quiet. Oh, that's cold. That's so cold. It's like a refrigerator. It must have some refrigeration on there as well, because it's totally cold. Well, that feels nice. Okay, so there's that. And if you need the manual, here is some instructions for it. But it is really cool. I'm going to say it's nice. Thumbs up for sure. So it'll keep my laptop cool because at the back of it, it gets ridiculously hot when I'm using it. So this is going to be nice. So totally cool. Thumbs up.